Hello friends, in TV system, sound and pictures are simultaneously transmitted. Now we will see the vestigial sideband system which is used for the sound and picture transmission. Vestigial sideband system. This is a special type of amplitude modulation system which is used for the TV transmission. Here the TV transmission sound and the picture both are simultaneously transmitted. The ITU, International Telecommunication Union, has fixed the bandwidth for each channel. Here, India is adopting CCIR B type system, okay, by which we have been allotted 7 MHz bandwidth per channel. Okay, we'll consider two situations. One, if we go for double sideband with full carrier, what happens? 7 into 7, 14 MHz bandwidth we will require. Okay, so even though we go for the DSB SC, then again 14 MHz bandwidth will be required. So it is one type of the SSB we use, that upper sideband of that is completely transmitted and part of the lower sideband is sent along with this, and remaining portion of that particular lower sideband, it is being vestige, that means it is being suppressed. Now let us consider why we are not considering the upper sideband only, because what happens if we send the upper sideband and the lower sideband from here itself, okay, we are taking some part of the lower sideband on the other side or beyond the picture carrier. Why it is so? Because if we try to cut somewhere the signal over here, okay, providing the band attenuation, then what happens? Below or near to the picture carrier, this frequency, this is 0, that is 0 value. So near the 0, the lower frequency range we can say particularly is carrying more important information related with the brightness and contrast of picture. If we provide here the attenuation, suppose I want to use this much, this to this, I cannot do because some amount of the information may get. That's why lower sideband some additional 0.75 we are taking into consideration and send along with the original upper sideband. Here 0.5 dB attenuation of 0.5 megahertz, rather you can say it is there, and 0.75, that means 1.25 megahertz beyond the picture carrier it is used, as picture and the sound carrier both are placed at 5.5 megahertz away from each other to avoid the interference between them. Here after sound carrier again 0.25 megahertz is the band separation it is provided. You can see the guard band. Okay, so this is the sound carrier and the complete bandwidth will be 5.5 plus 1.25, this is 6.75 plus 0.25 equal to 7 megahertz we obtain. Here the advantage of that, the sound and the picture are simultaneously sent with a proper separation of 5.5 MHz. This separation of 5.5 MHz is throughoutly maintained channel to channel. Okay, that means you are switching to higher frequency channel and that will be changed. No, it will remain the same. And this is the system in which picture and the sound is transmitted. It is called the inter-carrier system. So when the picture it is being produced, that time the relative amplitude of that sound it is minimum, and when the sound it is being produced, relative picture carrier amplitude it is minimum. So they never interfere with each other. So this was the vestigial sideband transmission system. Thank you.